Alright, another box, another dollar. What we got here? Show me what you got. Okay, alright, I was missing those. Awesome, I love it. But actually we're coming back to Shad story, but now from a little bit different angle. For those that are riding on F3, F3S, F3T, I don't know if the Limited comes without top case. I doubt it. Does it? MartinTheVlogger don't know. Shame on me. Anyway, so for those that do not have enough space or enough place to put their items on, this is what goes at the back of your F3. I will never go with any other item than this one from La Monster, because I've seen it before. I'm already sold out, so great, they are back. I have bought a bunch of those, and they can cope up with La Monster weight, which is like, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure they can cope up with my weight as well. So 100 kilograms, which is almost like 200 pounds. Now, they've been selling well, but once I have received a question like, Martin, can you do me custom build, like whatever top case you recommend? So I start searching around. Of course I have found the best one. So have a look at these pictures while I get you, or while I'll show you the Shad bag that I have. So guys, this bag, it's a Shad top case, and it's a Rolls Royce. I mean, first of all, it will fit the style of the side bags because it has carbon on top. I'm too lazy to unpack other boxes, but for your loved ones, at the back, you simply just buy additional backrest here. You're good to go. You can also add a brake light. Those are just a couple of euros extras, very worth. It comes with an inner bag as well. I have it there. Oh, it's here. Jeez, don't be too lazy, Martin. So, Shad, inner bag, style of 2021, 2020, I don't know. Now, what is so good, apart from it being Shad, like you cannot go really better than Shad. Apart from it, it's spacious. You will mount basically your base. So how it works like you have to have something at the back, right? In order to be able to hook up the top case. So you need this top case rack, or top rack case rack, whatever I call it on the shop. Of course I'm selling this as a combo now. And then you put base for the Shad bag. So anytime you can just simply unclick it and remove it, and the base stays on the rack. So that's a great thing. Now, what's so amazing about this is just with a few clicks, just like this, you go from L to XL to XXL. And already L is like what? I don't know. Like 58 liters when it's fully open. I don't know. It's like even now it can store fully faced helmets, I believe, when it's the smallest. If you go all the way up, it's just no compromises. This is Rolls Royce, and I don't know, many pictograms, whatever. Unbelievable. There's just no compromises there whatsoever. Unbelievable. And of course, in case you buy also the side bags from me, you will get an extra locking mechanism. So you will just change it, and you have one key for all 3 bags. The best cases ever, period. Not cheap though, not cheap. Sorry guys, my mic just keeps popping out, so sometimes I need to switch to camera audio. Sorry about that. So what we have here, mounting kits. Okay, that's not interesting. Ooh. Some nets. Great, always nice to have a net for your cargo. And yeah, we have foam grip covers because they are needed a lot. So foam grip covers are here. Finally back on stock. And here we go. Restocking on a La Monster pipe. So in case you like to go loud, I love RLS cat delete. I'm using RLS cat delete, but in case you would like to go super loud, La Monster pipe is the way to go. So we have those as well. Awesome. Now you are on another place, and because I felt like you are getting tired and bored. So now we are about to destroy our provisional table, but we will manage. And I know there are some cool items. So these are great things. Finally, I have them. These are the rear amber lights for your front fenders. And I have them for Rykers, and I have them for 2019 plus F3s and RTs. I think I still do not have the change for side, yeah, like those side lights, because La Monster was out of stock. But I will be trying to get them by February or whatever is going to be the next delivery date. The Commander boards. So I have for Ryker, I have the option to have those mini floorboards from La Monster. I love those. But there was a big demand for these Commander boards because they have different benefits. So we have them back on stock. Actually, I was sold out before I was able to put the previous ones that they came in. So finally I have several on the stock now. So Commander boards for Ryker, they are here. Awesome. Yep. So the Ryker floorboard set. This comes handy when you would like to compare the Commander boards with Ryker floorboards from La Monster directly. Yeah, I love those. The quality is just insane. This is the high quality aluminum that they are using. That is being used also in fly industry or air industry or airplane industry. Oh yeah, love those. Yep, have a look. I mean, this is a piece of art. I like the Black Dymond or the diamond pattern on it. This is just amazing. And these are actually the same floorboards. Of course, you need mounting kit, but those are the same floorboards that goes on F3s as well. So in case you would like to go a mini size, these are great floorboards for your F3S and F3. Epic, just epic. And let me show you these Commander floorboards. Okay. Actually, believe me or not, those before they came in, I was not even to be able to put my hands on because they've been gone immediately. Yeah, beautiful. And you have nice rubber in here. This is high quality aluminum on the bottom. And the detail, it's with like what? Polished aluminum. So that's the option I went for. Now, This is also the video like what I have on the shop, and I just finished charging of this portable Kickstarter because yesterday I was again, like ever since I have it, like the people around knows and they're coming here, and so if I can jumpstart their cars. This is a great thing because it can jumpstart your car up to, I don't know, almost close to 8-liter petrol, which is insane, or 5-liter diesel or 3.8-liter diesel. It's fine for me, you know, or 5-liter diesel, I think it is. I don't know, the description is on my website. It's not the cheapest thing, but for me it's one of the best buys because it has saved me twice this year, myself, and it has saved like 2 or 3 Spyders on the tour through the year that we've been doing. So amazing thing, and love the pattern. I love that I can charge my phone. It's a little bit big, but it's all fine. And no, I'm not leaving the house without it. Buy it or don't, but don't tell me I haven't said it to you. Like, this is a cool stuff. Like, for me, it's like no, like to leave on the road without a tire repair kit. Of course, I have them on the shop, but I have them, again, it was the story, like first I was riding with them, and then I have just approached the company if I can resell those. So, yep, let me see what we have here. Whee! Axle caps for Rykers. Yep, something that I'm missing. We are working on our own. Like, if you know me, you know that I have spikes, the spikes that I have showed you for Spyders at the moment. For Rykers, we need to wait. I just cannot do everything. And so in the meantime, I took these axle caps. It's because, first of all, they look cool on the wheel from the front, but they have the cover at the back, and that's the big problem with Rykers. Getting water inside of your wheel, like that, whatever it is, wheel hole from inside, and rusting there. Not the issue with this one. You know what? Let me show it to you. Like MartinTheVlogger is talking about it, showing you boxes, not showing you what's inside. Whee! I love my job. Yeah, my job is cool. Okay, they look really nice. There you go, guys. Oh, let me see. Turn on the display so I can see you. All right, there you go. That's nice. And it's aluminum that it's powder coated, and then you have this pattern around. It's not very heavy. It's more of that more light version of aluminum. Actually, if I would tell you like it's super heavy and big ass quality, I would be lying. But it's nice. You see, MartinTheVlogger is always honest. And you have rubber sealants there to prevent the water going in. What else you have? Oh, yeah, and you have, oh yeah, this one is heavy. So this is what you put inside, from inside of the wheel, you know, so the water is not getting in. And then there is a pattern, like how you hook it on your Ryker. Sorry. We have set of bungees. Bungees are here. Awesome. So I have bungees for Rykers, the bungee buttons. You just put them on the max mount or whatever mount you have on the Ryker, and you can put the bungee ropes and stuff like that and hold your items. And now I have set of bungees for F3s. So where is the passenger rail? You just put the bungee buttons there, and you can put your cargo net, bungee net, or bungee ropes. Yeah, awesome. Oh, finally they are back on the stock. We have bright rider light back on stock for F3s. They just look absolutely amazing. I'm using a picture from my shop, but No more explanation needed there. So finally I'm back on stock, and I have also the RT back, so that's great. Love it. So easy, just plug and play. Amazing. Okay, yeah, I was just only one left on La Monster shop, so I took the last one. Hopnell mini tank bra. If you are on my website, I have all of these kind of Hopnell stuff that is very well known for either protection and putting, you know, protection together with bags, so you can have side protectors and have those, you know, zip pockets there, or there are organizers for F3 top cases, so, or front organizers. So that's the Hopnell, and I have them. I love that brand. It's a very good brand. Finally, the brake pedal was available for RT. So I have brake pedals, because Ryker brake pedal is just, you know, like it's for kids. Spyder F3 for me it's fine, but still it can be a little bit bigger. And I got just simply used to it. But now for the RT, yeah, I mean, look at this. Look at that. This is RT brake pedal. Awesome. Like bigger, wider, better. It's just nice. And fully rubber around. Good one. Love to have that. Love to have that. Oh, okay. What is this American box? Motorcycle lad. I know. Oh, but by the way, guys, the box, guys from La Monster. Okay. Okay. Very nice. I think these are the IPS fog lights. Either for Ryker or badass. Now, don't tell to Katka, but I will be, you know, the Bloody Mary project, if you are following me, I'm building the coolest rental agency on the planet. And the first one is Bloody Mary, so it's going to be like sport bike. But the second one is going to be really a rally. And I would like to have these extra fog lights there. Of course, I have took several, so I think those are those. I took several extra on the shop, but one set will stay with me. Now, true story. Katka is always like, I'm always short on money, because everything I make, I buy more. Plus, I keep some stuff, so good. Love it. Love the packaging, guys. I mean, good. Now, what is this? I have no idea what I have ordered. From Texas. Okay, I got it. Those are the balancers. Never been around one. Do you know what they are?